In the ancient lands, sound was sacred. A barking dog would disrupt the lands of peace. The only way to prevent the unwanted wolves and bring peace to our land is to build the pyramids. Arrowzoom Acoustics foam panels was sent by the heavens of God to give our land the peace it deserved. Our ancestors gave us the pyramids we need for our creations. We no longer have to worry about the echoes that haunts our ears or the noises of those damn dogs. Thanks to Arrowzoom. Build your pyramid of peace at arrowzoom.com and use my 10% discount code AZJLE.
Hi everyone, it's me, Jay Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a DIY voice recording booth in your closet because guess where I'm at? In my closet. I am studying to be a voice actress. This is a great place to start. I'm going to show you how I build my booth with the products that I use and on a budget because I'm all about saving money and helping you out. In total, I spent roughly around $120 for the whole video recording booth, and a lot of the materials that I use is mostly blankets. A lot of the blankets were donated. I'm just so grateful because you can find blankets, towels, anything that you have around your house. You can use that to dampen your room. What really ties all of this together is, of course, my sponsored product by Arrowzoom. They were gracious enough to send me their Acoustics foam panels, which helps prevent a lot of the echoey sounds that makes all the noise when it comes to voice recording or recording content or whatever it is that you need for your creative space. Thank you, Arrowzoom. These foam panels behind me, they look really cute. I got 48 of them, the 25 by 25 and baby blue and black. They look great. They're easy to install. They even sent me tape to tape it down, and I obviously used my DIY skills to kind of put everything together. So that's what this video is about. And I'm excited to dive in. Let's go. This is what my closet space looked like before. And as you can tell with the drawers and the shelves and everything that's in the closet, because it is a closet, it looked like a hot mess in there. I had all my clothes and junk and everything on the shelves. When it came time to record something, I would have to move my microphone and my laptop to the other side where the sound blankets are. And as you can see, it's super inconvenient. Didn't really enjoy recording as much because I couldn't really move anywhere with this junk that I have in my closet. And also, how does she fit a queen size mattress inside of that closet? That mattress looks comfy, but it also looks very inconvenient in the space it was, and it was, as you can see. Right now, I need to clean out my closet, so I am gonna get rid of everything off the shelves. I'm gonna try to move this. And I'm also trying to figure out where to put this queen size mattress in my closet. First, I have to get her out, which was not an easy thing to do. I do not recommend trying to fit a queen size mattress in your closet. If you're trying to build your space, I recommend getting a beanbag or an actual chair. But because I don't have any place to put this mattress, we're gonna try to fit her in the closet again. Trying to figure out how to fold this in a way where it will fit but feel comfortable and I don't have to move anything. Okay, I decided I'm gonna sandwich my mattress and try to fit her in by folding it in half. Was it easy? Absolutely not. Did I do it? Yes, I did. If there's one thing you know about me, I'm gonna try to fit her in. Now let's talk about these soundproof blankets that I got off of Amazon. How I build my walls is pretty much I put 2 of the blankets on the flat side of the wall, and then I put a sound kind of dampening blanket over the door using a curtain rod, which you can see right over here. I also use that same curtain rod that I installed for my sleeping bags to use as my ceiling, and just put a weight on the other side so it would hold it down. So it should look like this. Beautiful. Now it's time for me to open my gift from Arrowzoom, We
How
are
did they
opening
fit
the
this all in
packages
this packaging?
right now.
Crazy. Ooh, okay. Let's see here. It says, we need your support. Social mission. Did you know about 5% of the world of 460 million people have hearing loss and disability? Arrowzoom is proud to support our NGO partners, helping people in accessing mental health they need. Okay, on brand. We are. So do know, if you do purchase Arrowzoom, you are helping for a good cause. And it is trusted by over 100 professional YouTubers and creative artists, plus free worldwide shipping. After 24 hours, tape 3M to the back. Okay, so we have to wait 24 hours after opening. Okay, I didn't know that, so probably because of all the smells and stuff, right? I'm just giving it time to buff. Oh, look at that way. And it smells. Okay, so I probably should wait. They do smell a little bit. Okay, so give it 24 hours. That's what we're going to do. Ooh, they did give us some tape to put on the back. It is optional. If you want to clean out the smell, you can put it in water and put it into the dryer. But I have Febreze and it costs money for me to wash and dry, so we're not gonna do that. Ooh, look at this color. Okay. Oh, whoa, color.
Okay, for this part, I just opened all of my packages. I am gonna leave my foam panels out for a little bit. I lost my patience. I couldn't wait 24 hours, so I just try to let them out as long as I can, and that is what we're doing. Now it's time to install the panels. It did come with tape, however, I did not know how much tape to use or if it would stick or if it would damage my walls or not, so we're gonna save the tape for the shelves that you see because they are made out of wood. And what we're going to do, we're actually going to use a thumbtack nail and just kind of nail the panels down. I decided to use the tape for the shelves, as you can see, and they are really, really sticky. The tape is the stickiest tape I have ever worked with, so please be mindful, please be careful. As you can see, I did get kind of like some sticky white residue off of my hands here. But no worries, we are going to figure this all out. I am still using the tape. We are just cutting and putting them on to the foam panels so that way I can stick them on the top of the shelves and at the bottom. And there are some areas of this wall space that a full panel couldn't fit, so I just grabbed some scissors, cut them up, put tape on them, and yeah, I just stuck them where I needed to stick them. The thumbtack, I think, works the best, in my opinion, to install them just because they're easy to just stick in the middle, they'll stay there, and I think I will use the tape to kind of put them on the edges of the foam panel so that way they really stick on. So you can use both the tape or a thumbtack nail just for extra security, extra secureness. Right now, I do still have some space in between the blankets and my mattress. So what I'm doing is grabbing the leftover blankets that I have and thumbtacking them onto the wall so that way it also helps with dampening the sounds. Now it's time to install my mic adjuster. This is where I'm going to put my voice recording microphone on. I got this one off of Amazon, and again, I will leave the link in the description. This is really easy to install. All you have to do is find a desk or a shelf, and you're just going to screw in. You're going to adjust the stopper on there, screw it in, and there you go. Really easy. And then I just have to install my mic, which was also really easy to do. Okay, now you're trying to figure out how I get electricity into my closet. I just got another power surge outlet, again off of Amazon, plugged it into the nearest wall, which was the wall where my TV was. I installed the surge protector, and I have like a hole beneath the door. So I just run that through the hole, and then afterwards, when it comes time to record, I'll just put a blanket over it.
Okay, y'all, I have officially completed it. And this is just for added effects. I have like a little starlight to make it look so cute in here.
Here is the final results of my DIY voice recording booth, and she is cute. As you can see, the foam panels look so good. I got my mic attached, have a place for my laptop to edit the audio. She is really cute. I even hooked up the lights and everything, and I am just so happy. This is my before installing the panels and what it looked like before. This is also how my audio sound before as well. You can find amazing deals that make the record-breaking Accord even better. Now, this is how my space looks after installing the panels. Here is also an example of what my sounds look like without any filters on them. My name is Jennifer Lee. I am 30 years old. And I like to do voice acting. As you can see, it made such a huge difference in sound quality and also vibes in general. I love my new space. Looks super cute. I would totally rent this out to anyone. In fact, you could probably fall asleep in here, sleep in this closet. It's a vibe, honestly. Thank y'all so much for watching my DIY YouTube video. Follow and subscribe for more, and comment below. Let me know what you think of building your own voice recording studio, if you're thinking about it, or you want to get into voice acting, or if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank y'all so much again. Check out my description for more, and yeah, catch y'all on the next DIY fun size project. Bye!